crafty friends, it is Christy. I am back with another unboxing video, and this time it is the new fall launch from Archer and Olive. This is not sponsored. This is just something that I purchased that I absolutely adore, and I thought I would share it with you. So a couple weeks ago, probably 2 weeks ago, Archer and Olive launched their fall line, and it has so many new notebooks, so many new stickers, all the things, some new acrylographs. So I thought I would share it with you. First of all, hi, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I hope that you'll stick around, check out my other videos. And if you like what you see, I hope that you become a subscriber and then hit the bell notification button to let you know when I post a new video. I'm trying to get back to posting and filming and all the things, so there'll be lots of new content coming out. Let's get to it. This is the Archer and Olive fall release. I got so many things. I limited myself to just 2 notebooks, but there were lots of ones that I wanted. But yeah, the colors in this collection are just fantastic. So first of all, there were some new acrylic stamps. This one is Fall Nature. Look at that. So many good icons. I thought this would be perfect for my journal. And then Plan Your Week. Not sure how I'm going to store these yet, but look. There's like times, all the things. So good with the days. Let me show you these. Can you see those? I love it. So those are Fall Nature and Plan Your Week stamps. And then I got lots of stickers, you guys. So in these stickers, you get 2 sheets of each. I've already taken them out of the wrapper because that noise is kind of irritating. So let me move this stuff off so that I can show you all of the stickers. First of all, we have these sticker pack 2 sheets, and it doesn't have the name on it. I don't think they have the name. Okay, they don't have the name. So you're just gonna have to go, I can tell you the code, item code, and you can check them out on the website. So this one is ST308. Great for planning with the to-dos and the days and the number banners. This one is ST309. Look at the browns. This is like brown, navy blue, and this green. Then we have this Hello Fall with the mushrooms, ST311. Then ST312 with the banners. All these brown natural colors are so pretty. I love them. And then ST310, and I already used the kitty cat. I think there's one journal with the kitty cat on the front. So you might want to check that out if you are a kitty cat lover or an October lover, Halloween lover. It's like a vial, a little glass jar. So those are the stickers. I got 5 sticker packs that I plan to use in my daily journal and in my planner. And then I got the new acrylograph pins. I got the 0.77 tip Spellbind collection and the Bewitch collection. This is the new fall colors. If you have not tried these out, you are missing out. I have a whole collection. These are beautiful colors. There's grays, like mulberry, purple, dark gray, navy blue. It matches this perfectly. Where is it? Look at that. Matches that perfectly. Oh my gosh. So good. So this is the Spellbind collection, and these will work on the black and craft pages very well. This is the Bewitch collection, the purple and the orange. Great fall colors. So those are the acrylograph brand new fall launch. And then I picked up 2 boxes of the decorative washi tape. I'm gonna take it out so you can see them. Wanted to get in close so that you can see the Look at those. The teapot. There's some gold foiling. This has the gold days of the week. We have the grid. No, I haven't used that one. I don't know. And then this is kind of like a maroon background. Let me see if I can find the beginning with the floral. I love that color. All right, and let me, oops, tore it. Let me show you this one, the gold foiling. I'll show you each of these because it's worth it. It is worth it. These are so good. And then this one with the teapots and the gold foil leaves and moon. Love that one. And then the basic, this is a basic grid, which grid is like my favorite washi to have. I find myself returning to the grid over and over again. And there's that one. And this one is WT304. These are all part of the fall release. And I think I just saw that their Halloween washi is in stock and it glows in the dark, y'all. I didn't get it, but it's really cute. And then this is WT303, washi tape 303, and here they are. And let's look at them individually. So we have this one with that navy blue and purple, the gold foiling. And then we have, this one is just words. It's like important, to do, goals, habit tracker, notes this week. Love that. We have the floral. The florals are always a winner. The navy blue. And then the last one is this plum grid. Sorry. Ooh, look at that. It's like plum with like the mustard yellow and the lighter white color. That's a plaid pattern. So those are the new washis I picked up. And then last, but definitely not least, are the two journals. They're actually the same cover, but I got one in the notebook size. Look at I love the little plant, and it is this gorgeous green. Matches perfectly. So this one I got, I love this one. I'm not sure what size. It's not the biggest one. Let me look. It's not printed. All right, but the paper in these Archer and Olive notebooks are phenomenal. You can stamp, no bleed through. You can use the acrylographs. It doesn't bleed through. It's great. And then this is like a traveler's notebook size. Look at that. And the same, it has that gold foil plant. I really wanted to do, I think I'm going to use this one to document all the house things that we've done since we bought the house in December. So I thought that would be a good size for that because it's kind of traveler's notebook size, and I'm not going to get too heavy on the embellishments. But that is my thought. All right, well, I appreciate you tuning in to see all my new goodies from Archer and Olive. So many fun things. I can't wait to play. And I hope that you'll check out their goodies. I will link them down in the description box. Again, I am not an affiliate. I do not make any money off of this. It's just a product that I really love and I really believe in. And the values of the company, I really speak to me. So go check them out. If you have any questions at all about any of the products that I've shared, just leave the question in the comment section below. Your thumbs up, likes, comments are always appreciated because it helps YouTube know that people are watching what I'm creating and liking it. So those are all appreciated. Thanks so much for tuning in, and I'll be back soon with another video. Until next time, I hope you get some time to do something creative. Bye.